Absent that AI tool, I would have been completely unprepared. I would have maybe done the classic, show up and throw up. I go back to that Edward Jones case that I wrote. So they have 20,000 advisors, something like that, making a million calls a year on clients. And as you know from their business model, they're people in rural areas, small towns, and whatnot. They have advisors that are new. And to prep for a call on, let's say, a school teacher, they may have never called on a school teacher. So they can use AI to say, like, what are the problems that school teachers typically have based on the 100,000 calls my colleagues have made on school teachers?
Right. That's right. Yeah.
So now, I mean, think about this. So this would be my response to a student. So you crunch that in AI. You say, I'm going to call in a school teacher who's 40 that makes this salary, that has something, a retirement plan and TIA CREF, and is married to somebody that does this, that, and the other thing. Now I can go in completely prepared. Absent that AI tool, I would have been completely unprepared. I would have maybe done the classic, show up and throw up kind of thing and just like start spewing features and, things that I think might get your attention. But now I can come in with, do you have this problem? I can solve it. Here's how I would solve it.